tingin ate. Alang, lamig. Ate, tingin. Oh my God, cloud forest. Baby dinosaur, naka-incubator sila. Yan yung gentle giant.
Dinosaur. Yan yung kumakailang na halaman.
Oo, iba't ibang hugis ang eggs ng dinosaur.
Anong egg naman yun? Pa! Pa! Pasok tayo.
Ito na yung tree top. Abi?
Pasok po. Huwag kayo may pasok po. Wala sa bahay. Yung bawat apak niyo.
Ay! Ano, bawat step ni B.O. Step.
Ayun, nasa yun.
Delay. Delay.
Galing mo.
Ano?
Orchid. Apak ka dyan. Anong flower ka? Yun yung... Apak ka dito. Lalabas ko anong flower ka. Ayun. Wala naman.
Tapos na kay Oceana. Ay, galing naman yung Oceana. Swerte.
Ayan.
Wow! Ang ganda pa.
Tang. Papa naman.
Tang.
Nag-itsi siya ng siya.
Siya.
Mamaya dito.
Mamaya, B. Ayan, lumabas na siya. O, monkey met. Monkey orchid. Ikaw ate, ikaw. Wow! Ano? Sunburst. Ako. I-video mo nga.
Naka-video na to?
Yes.
Wow! Tama. Ay, pareho tayo.
Parehas tayo.
Ikaw be? Ay, wow! Ano kay Iya? Wow! Boomerang. Ate, ikaw? Wow! Ang ganda mo naman!
Ecuador. Ecuador.
Parehas kayo.
Anak ko nga siya.
O, saan na tayo? Ang ganda pala pag ganito eh. Oh.
Let's go.
Ito mga crystals. Wow.
Stalag.
Oh, patay. Patay na sila. Oh, mga dinosaurs. Oh, gumagalaw siya, oh. Mag-video tayo na ano. Ah, nagdudura siya?
Beware, speeding dinosaur.
Oh my God.
Dito tayo.
Sa kabila, tapos kabila. Ayun, hindi ko pa nakita. Same sila. Wait, ano lang. Oh my God. Parang totoo, no?
Cloud Forest Theater.
Ano ito? Ano na yan, be? Theater. Asan yung tree top? my God, oh, mga dinosaur, oh. Echo. Delta. Oh my God. Oh!
Capture sila. Capture. Na-capture na dinosaur.
Alam mo, gumagalaw. Gumagalaw yung eyes niya.
Okay, let's go.
Shelly has been turned. Alright? Now it seems like she's ready to meet you guys. Are you guys ready to meet Blue? Alright.
Lalabas na siya.
And introducing Blue!
Oh my God! Oh my
Blue!
God!
Blue! 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 Sit down! Sit down. Sit down. Alright? Okay. Alright, Blue. Alright, eyes on me, girl. Eyes on me, alright? Eyes on me, Blue.
Oh my God!
Steady. Steady, girl. Alright. Good job. Good job. Alright. Now let me just introduce you to our Velociraptor over here. And her name is Blue. Now Blue right here is actually our smartest and biggest raptor we've got here at Jurassic World. Because of her DNA. Blue here does have a DNA of a monitor lizard fused in with her dinosaur DNA. So a very unique fact to learn about Blue, right?
Parang totoo, ano?
What you see me doing with Blue, keep your eyes on
Doon ka tayo.
and then slowly raise your hand up. Like
Ma, dito mali mo.
Put your hand up like this. Very nicely done, alright? Now you need to make a connection with Blue, but she's not serious, alright? Blue! That's right, Blue. Are you know what? Let's sit over here. We sat here. We sat here. In the beginning. Okay. Alright, you ready? Okay, keep your hand up, alright? Now walk to the end of that line. Go. Alright, nice and steady. That's good. That's good. Very well. Okay, come back this way. Keep your head up. You're doing good. You're doing great. Alright, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. No. No.
Akala mo
Alright.
totoo eh.
Slowly put your hand down. Alright. And that's how you do tracking. A round of applause for our volunteer, please. Good job, Rebecca. Alright. Let me send you back to your family in one piece. You're fine, don't worry. Alright, now is your moment, guys. If you have a phone, take out your phone. Hold your phone up. Okay? Turn around with your phone. Take a selfie, take a photo.
Take a selfie.
Now is your chance angle to take a good shot or two with or of Blue from where you're standing, alright? Because Blue's got a very nice smile to join your selfies.
Yeah.
You do take a look, she's got 84. Raise your
Be,
sharp
picture
teeth
na lang
and
tayo.
chomp
Ganun,
down
dyan ka na.
with a
Dyan.
Newton
Be, dyan ka na
force
lang.
of 8
Dyan,
pounds.
dyan, buna na kayo.
That's the same chomping force as an American alligator, in case you guys are wondering how
Dito,
hard
dito
they
yung
can
iba,
chomp
oh.
down on their prey, right?
Siya na dyan, oh. Upo kayo.
Make sure that they're
Opo, yan, yan, yan. Sige, baba pa ate.
Alright, this is not good. Okay, let's double call. I just take back our love. Go, back up. Back up, girl. Back up. Back up, back up, back up, back up. You're gonna go for reinforcements. Back up.
May
girl.
video pa kayo. Wow! Selfie tayo, be. Ano. Saan sila? Be, halika. O, dyan kayo, bilis. Be. Be,
Parang di naman.
ate, picture, tingin. Oh, tingin kayo, yan na. Hindi siya gumagalaw. Be, picture kayo dyan.
Silipin mo yung mga plants. Ay, yung flower ko na ito. Oo, meron. So pretty.
Ayun lang ah. Bakit ay ano yung maliliit? Ang ganda pala ano. Maganda no.
Ang liliit.
Ito oh, para makita mo yung flower, kailangan mong sumilip sa magnifying glass. Ayun oh. Flower niya oh. Ay na, patingin nga yan. Oo, kasi ang liliit ng bulaklak nila. Tapos makikita mo sa magnifying glass. Ayun oh.
Ben, iya, sana. Tapos na kaya? Ay, sulo.
Kasi fern nito, ang laki-laki oh.
Lucky fern.
Taba na fern.
Ano to? Oh,
Ayun na. Impatient, parrot impatience.
Oo nga, parang siya
Ganda.
parang.
Africa.
Parang ang ganda nga niya. Andiyan na naman si T-Rex.
alam mo, pwede ka na yung sound kasi nga madada, parang tunog.
Parang tunan.
Yung mata niya parang totoo.
Parang totoo. Ang paano yung mga tunog nila?
Siya lang ang hindi nila pwedeng tagalawin.
Oo, yung
Lumilipad.
Dadalon ulit kami kay T-Rex.
Wala na.
Hindi na natin siya makikita.
Pero ilikod niya na to. Kaya narinig ko na.
Ay, likod na lang niya to. Ang ganda! Sa? Alam mo, pag nagsushooting siguro sila ng ano, dito no. Tignan mo nga, kasi di ba? Hindi.
Nilagay sila dito.
Yeah, I mean, pwede nilang pag-shootingan na kunwari, yung dinosaur, di ba? Kasi forest na forest. Ay. Ha?
Sila, yung mga sila, dinala lang